I just want to take a minute to talk about something really important. Emotional abuse. Man, it's a thing. I like really truly wonder where the phrase or the sing-song thingy, like the sticks and stones can break my bones, but words may never hurt me. I truly wonder where that came from. And if anybody knows, feel free to leave it in the comments. But anyhow, I think I looked it up once actually. But I wasn't satisfied with the answer, whatever that was. Anyway, yeah, so it's a thing, right? And I think it's unfortunate that in society we're kind of conditioned to just take things like that and like, like sensitivity can be such a positive thing. Sensitivity is strength. Like to be able to lean into one's emotions takes a lot of strength. Like to be able to face one's demons, face one's pain, to be able to feel love, to be able to feel joy, to be able to feel anything really takes a lot of strength and courage. And it's unfortunate that as a society we've discouraged others to do that. Yeah. By calling them weak and stuff like that, But anyhow, it's just reflecting on my own experiences. I was just thinking, like as a kid, I was called like ugly, like, and it wasn't. I don't know that I was called that all the time. I can't remember, but I know that there were a couple times and that was enough. Like from immediate family members, And it's like, well, you have to wear makeup or you're gonna look ugly or something like that, or just stuff like piercings are ugly, colored hair is ugly, tattoos are ugly. You're fat, and when you're fat, you're ugly, and it's like, God, I can't win. I don't know. It's a lot. It's heavy, and then especially like as a kid, it's a lot to take, right? And anyway, why did I share that? I just share that to say that basically everybody that I know, I can't think of a person that's an exception. Everyone that I know has been bullied in some kind of way, right? Or verbally been told these kinds of hurtful things that really made people self-conscious about said things. And it's unfortunate, right? And yeah, we just all walk around with wounded inner children who heal and then feel hurt again and then heal and then it's just like go deeper, and it's a cycle of healing. That's just how it goes. But how cool would it be if we were just able to just speak life into each other and be kind to each other and lift each other up? That's what I do personally. It's just who I am as a human being. I like to be open and vulnerable and kind and loving. But like, yeah, I just would encourage you when you're in those moments when you're like triggered, right, and feeling some type of way, like hurt because of some words someone said that makes you think back to like other experiences you've had that were hurtful, to have compassion for yourself. Definitely. And love yourself, like, oh, okay, that was really hurtful. I feel really sad. Well, I need some time to myself. I feel really sad. Let me go take a walk. I feel really sad. Let me go take a drive. Use a coping skill, right? Call a friend. And secondly, to just be mindful of what you say to yourself. Maybe for every negative thought, you can have 2 positive thoughts. For every harmful thought, you can have 2 helpful thoughts, right? And thirdly, watch what you say to other people, especially children, because children are sponges and they will take that and they will run with that, right? But we never know. It's just like part of being trauma informed is just being really mindful about everything and doing one's best to not trigger other people. It's not our responsibility and to like, caretake. It's a fine line. And at the same time, when other people are triggered, okay, it's their responsibility to take care of their emotions. Yeah, we can support them and things like that, but it's like, it's less likely to happen when we're loving and kind to one another, right? I mean, why be mean? Why be passive aggressive? Like, there's really like no point. I understand a lot of people are raised that way. At the same time, just take a moment to reflect kind of where that came from, right? And how that truly worked out for you. Do you genuinely prefer people to be passive aggressive with you? Or do you prefer people to be open and honest with you? That's all I have to share for today, and I hope that was helpful, and I just don't know, it was on my heart to share and speak on. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.